rediscovering nature's elegance with Thou's Wind's Twilight Camping Lantern. As the sun dips below the horizon and the first stars twinkle in the night sky, the Thou's Wind's Twilight Camping Lantern becomes a beacon, inviting you to trace the warm memories of twilight with its nostalgic charm. This outdoor portable camping light is more than just a source of illumination. It's a retro emotion oil lamp that connects you with the profound beauty of nature. Trace the warm memory. Twilight Kerosene Lamp. When night falls, there's something magical about lighting up the Twilight Kerosene Lamp. It's not just about dispelling the darkness, it's about immersing yourself in the serene glow and feeling the beautiful profundity of nature. With the Thou's Wind's Twilight Camping Lantern, every camping experience transforms into a journey through time, tracing warm memories illuminated by the gentle flicker of its vintage-inspired flame. Specifications. Brand: Thou's Winds. Name: Twilight Kerosene Lamp. Model No. TW6007-LV. Weight: 370 grams. Size: 8.4 by 7.5 by 19.4 centimeters. Storage size: 8.4 by 9.8 by 28 centimeters. Material: 304 stainless steel. Fuel tank capacity: 110 milliliters. Burning time: at about 10 hours when the fuel tank is full. Features: vintage kerosene lamp. The Thou's Wind's Twilight Camping Lantern pays homage to the vintage charm of kerosene lamps, infusing your camping experience with a touch of nostalgia. Its classic design transports you to a bygone era, allowing you to relive the simplicity and warmth of traditional lighting. Windproof design. Engineered for outdoor adventures, this lantern boasts a windproof design, ensuring that the flame remains steady even in the face of breezy nights. Embrace the elements without compromising on the enchanting glow of your Twilight Kerosene lamp. Fire adjustment. Control the ambience of your campsite with the fire adjustment feature. Whether you prefer a subtle flicker or a brighter flame, the Thou's Wind's Twilight Camping Lantern allows you to tailor the lighting to your mood, creating the perfect atmosphere for your outdoor escapades. 10 hours burning time. The longevity of the burning time sets the Twilight Kerosene lamp apart. With a fuel tank capacity of 110 milliliters, this lantern can cast its warm glow for approximately 10 hours when the tank is full. It ensures that your evenings are filled with uninterrupted radiance, extending your time to revel in the tranquility of nature. In conclusion, the Thou's Wind's Twilight Camping Lantern is not just a portable camping light, it's a vessel that carries you through time, evoking the charm of a bygone era. As you trace the warm memory of twilight with its gentle glow, this lantern becomes an integral part of your outdoor adventures, creating an atmosphere that connects you with the essence of nature and the simplicity of times past.